All right, everybody, quick video. We have to do an initialization onto a rear view camera onto a 2024 Ford Maverick. Now, I don't know if the xtool D8 is able to do this. This is a hybrid Maverick front wheel drive. So we're going to go in with the xtool. We're going to see if the xtool can do it. If the xtool can't do it, we're going to go to an hotel. And then if the hotel can't do it, well, guess what? Oh, I don't even think we're going to be able to get in here. Ford Maverick. Let's see if we can find the Maverick. I might have to go with the hotel. It's okay. Yes. Mountaineer, Navigator. Let me go through this, see if I can find it, and I'll be right back. All right, so the xtool cannot get into this vehicle. It's not even part of their vehicle configurations yet. So let's check the all data. Let's check the hotel and see if hotel is able to identify this one. Perfect. So let's go see what type of functions we have. This is just going to be initializing a new camera. That's all we have to do. All right. So hopefully we can actually initialize the camera with the hotel scanner. Yes. Turn the key off real quick. Turn it back on. Okay. Hot functions. See what we have in our hot functions. Pin and odometer check. That's not what we need. Service. Let's try service. Body. Image processing. Nope, not IPMA. No, it's not going to be that. So it doesn't look like this. Lin new module initialization BCM. That's what we need. Okay, before performing, make sure the following operations: park the vehicle on level ground. The battery is greater than 10 volts. Before continuing, refer to workshop manual to complete all necessary steps before starting this test. Yes. Okay. Instructions: select OK to proceed. Now, what was happening was that whenever I would go into reverse, I wouldn't see the lines on the screen, which I'm guessing this should take care of it. The shop came by and asked me just to do programming or initialization onto it. Turn the key off. It is off. Procedure successful. Okay. So now, let's turn the key back on. Start the car. And go to reverse. And there are our lines. They were not there before. I can guarantee you that to 100%. So the Hotel IM508 is able to do this on a 2024 Maverick Hybrid. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And as always, I will see you guys next time.